Hi students, in previous class I explained about addition of fractional numbers. Now this class I can explain subtraction of fractional numbers. Subtraction of fractional numbers. Subtraction of fractional numbers. Let I take one example problem. Example 1. See, a 2 by 5 minus 3 by 4. This first of all you check the denominator values. Here denominator values are equal, not equal. So you can do the three methods. One is the LCM method, second one is the cross multiplication method, third one is the equal the denominator value. Solution 2 by 5 minus 3 by 4. I do in here cross multiplication method, means 4 into 2 minus 5 into 3 by 5 into 4. Now 4 2s are 8 and 5 3s are 15 by 5 4s how much? 20. Now here how much comes here? 8 minus 15. So here minus 7 by 20. Minus 7 by 20. Here what? Denominator values are different. Now I am taking one example. Denominator values are equal. 10 by 15 minus 13 by 15. Here denominator values are equal. Now direct numerator subtraction. So what comes here? 10 by 15 minus 13 by 15 equal 10 minus 13 by only write 115. Here what comes? 10 minus 13 means minus 3 by 15. And next third example I taking mixed fraction subtraction. Mixed fraction subtraction and after 3 fractional subtraction. Mixed fraction subtraction. Third one example 2 3 by 4 minus 1 5 by 3. These are mixed fractions. First you convert into the improper fraction. 2 3 by 4 minus 1 5 by 3 equal to, first you convert the improper fraction. 4 into 2 plus 3 by 4 minus 3 ones are 3 into 1 plus 5 by 3. Now here 4 2s how much? 8. 8 plus 3 by 4 minus 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 5 by 3. Here 8 plus 3 how much? 11. 11 by 4 minus 8 by 3. Here next what done here? These fractions are improper fraction. Now subtraction. Again cross multiplication I take here. 3 into 11 minus 4 into 8 by 4 into 3. 3 11s are 33. 3 11s are 33 minus 4 8s are 32 by 4 3s are 12. 33 minus 12 how much? 1. 1 by 12. Okay. Next fourth example. 3 fractional numbers subtraction. 3 fractional numbers subtraction. Now the fourth example is 3 fractional numbers subtraction. The fourth example 2 by 3 minus 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2. Now here you find out the LCM denominator. LCM of 3, 4 and 2. Here 3, 4, 2 LCM. Take 2 table. 3 not come, no, direct write 3. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 1. These are the prime numbers. So LCM what comes? The LCM of 3, 4 and 2 equal to 2 into 3 into 2 into 1. 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2. So 6 2s how much? 12. LCM how much? 12. Next, what is the question? 2 by 3 minus 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2 equal to, here what comes the LCM? 12. 12 here. 2 by 3 into 12 minus 3 by 4 into 12 minus 1 by 2 into 12. 3 1s are 3 4s are 4 1s are 4 3s are 2 1s are 2 6s are. Next what here? 2 into 4 minus 3 into 3 minus 1 into 6 by LCM. 2 4s are 8, 3 3s are 9, 1 6s are 6 by 12. Here 8 minus 9 means minus 1 minus 6 by 12. Minus 1 minus 6 how much? Minus 7. Minus 7 by 12. This is answer. What here? Subtraction of fractional numbers. I am taking the 4 examples. One is the different fraction. Second one is the one is the unlike fraction. Second one is the like fraction. Next, mixed fraction, and third one is 3 fractions subtraction. Next, multiplication of fractions. Next topic is what? Multiplication of fractions after division of fraction. Next topic is multiplication of fractions. Multiplication of fractions. Here example, first example, 2 by 5 into 3 by 6. So here direct you can multiply numerator and denominator. No, don't take the LCM and cross multiplication or equal the denominator. Well, direct you can multiply numerator and denominator. So 2 into 3 by 5 into 6. What comes here? 2 3s are 6 and 5 6 how much? 30. Here both are comes as, write the simplest form, 6 table, 6 1s are 6 5s are. So here answer what? 1 by 5. 2 fraction I am taking now, 3 fractions now here. Second example, 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 into 4 by 2. So here direct multiplication means numerator multiply and denominator multiply here. 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 into 4 by 2 equal to 1 into 2 into 4 by 2 into 3 into 2. Here 1 2 is 2, write the 4 same. 2 3 is 6, write 2 same. Next here 2 4 is 8, 6 2 is 12. You cancel 4 table here. 4 2s are 4 3s are. Answer how much? 2 by 3. This is the multiplication of fractional numbers. Next one is a division of fractional numbers. Next topic is division of fractional numbers. Division of fractional numbers. Next topic is what? Division. Division of fractional numbers. First I take the one example. Here example, first example, 2 by 5 divided by 2 by 3. Here first you write the reciprocal of the second fraction. Reciprocal of the second fraction. Suppose reciprocal. 2 reciprocal what? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 reciprocal what? 2. Here what comes here? Solution 2 by 5 divided by 2 by 3 equal to 2 by 5 into reciprocal 3 reverse 3 by 2. Here you cancel here 2 into 3 by 5 into 2. 2 3s are 6. 5 2s are 10. So here cancel 2 table. 2 3s are 2 5s are. Answer how much? 3 by 5. You do the reciprocal of the fraction. And next one more example. Suppose here second example, 2 by 3 divided by only 5. 2 by 3 divided by 5. How here? Reciprocal of 5 how much? Here 2 by 3 divided by 5 equal what comes 2 by 3. Here take the 1, no problem. Here what comes here 1 by 5. So 2 into 1 and 3 by 5. How much here? 2 ones are 2, 3 5s are 15. And next topic is rational numbers on the number line. Fractional numbers on the number line. Division method, you have to the reciprocal of the fraction. Reciprocal means reverse the division, means numerator comes denominator, denominator comes numerator. Next to rational numbers on the fractional numbers on the number line. Fractional numbers on the number line. First I write one example. 2 by 5. First draw the number line. Here center you take the 0. After comes here, sorry, I am taking a 4 by 5. Here 1 comes here 1 by 5. Means you change the numerator values increasing. 2 by 5, don't change the denominator values. Next third one, sorry, 3 by 5. Next comes 4 by 5. Next comes 5 by 5. Next 6 by 5. Don't change the denominator values. Only change the numerator increasing 1 by. You need what? 4 by 5. This is your fractional numbers on the number line. One more example. Here 10 by 3. Draw the number line. Take here 0. Next what comes here? 1 by 3. 2 by 3. 3 by 3, 4 by 3, 5 by 3, 6 by 3, 7 by 3, and 8 by 3, 9 by 3, 10 by 3. You need what? 10 by 3. And next here, fraction, mixed fractions. One more I take the mixed fractions on the number line. That mixed fraction convert into the improper fraction after showing the number line. Third example, 3 by 2. Convert into the improper fraction, means 2 into 2 plus 3 by 2. What comes here? 2 2s are 4 plus 3 by 2. How much here? 7 by 2. That's the number line. After take the 0 here. What comes? 1 by 2, 2 by 2, 3 by 2, 4 by 2, 5 by 2, 6 by 2, 7 by 2, 8 by 2. You need what? 7 by 2. This is the fractional numbers on the number line. Last one more topic, ascending order and descending order fractional numbers. Ascending order and descending order. Ascending order means what? Small to big. Descending order means what? Big to small. First ascending order and descending order of the fractional numbers. Last topics today. Next ascending order and descending order of fractional numbers. Ascending order means what? Small to big. Descending order means what? Big to small. First ascending order, taking one example problem. Fraction number 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 6 by 5. These are all denominator values. No, ascending order is small to big. You see denominator value 5. You check the numerator values 2, 3, 4, 5. Ascending order what comes here? A order. Ascending order what comes here? 2 by 5 less than 3 by 5 less than 4 by 5 less than 6 by 5. So what is descending order? What comes? Descending order big to small means here 6 by 5 greater than symbol 4 by 5 and greater than symbol 3 by 5 and greater than symbol 2 by 5. Here like fractions it is ascending order and descending order. Unlike fractions, ascending order and descending order. Last example today, ascending order and descending order unlike fractions. Unlike fractions mean denominator values are not equal. Denominator values are not equal. 2 by 3, 4 by 5 and 1 by 2 I take. First we equal the denominator values here. First you equal the denominator values means you find the LCM of 3, 5 and 2. LCM of 3, 5, 2. So these 3, 5, 2 are the prime numbers. 3, 5, 2 are the prime numbers mean direct you can multiply here 3 into 5 into 2. 3 5s are 15 into 2 how much 30. The prime numbers mean direct you can take. So suppose you can check also no problem. 3 5 2. 3 1s are 5 right same 2 right same 5 table 5 1s are 5 1 right same 5 1s are 2s are. Next here what 2 1 1 1. So what the LCM here 30. Next here first fraction 2 by 3 equal to 2 by 3 into what the first fraction here 2 by 3 now 2 by 3 equal to 2 by 3 into LCM by LCM. So how much here 3 1s are 3 10s are what comes here 2 into 10 by 30. So what here 20 by 30. Next one what here 4 by 5 equal what 4 by 5 into LCM by LCM. 5 1s are 5 6s are. So what left here 4 into 6 by 30. Here 4 6 how much 24 by 30. Next one here what I am taking this side 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into LCM by LCM. Here what 1s are 15s are. 1 into 15 by 30 equal 15 by 30. See here all the denominator values are equal. Here 30 30 30 what comes here ascending order and descending order means ascending small to big. Now this is the small 15 by 30 less than next one 24 by 30 less than next 20 by 30 less than 24 by 30 here. 15 by 30 means what 1 by 2. 1 by 2 less than next here 20 means 2 by 3. 2 by 3 less than next one what 4 by 5. This is the ascending order. Descending order means is the ascending order. Descending order DO means descending of big to small. Now here 4 by 5 greater than 2 by 5 greater than 1 by 2. Okay, clear? Today what I can explaining fractional numbers, subtraction, multiplication, division, fractional numbers on the number line, and what the next year ascending order and descending order. Thank you.